Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix screen mirroring not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your control center on your iPhone, then tap screen mirroring to check if your device shows up. If it doesn't, make sure that both of your iPhone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That is common issue. Next, restart both your iPhone and your TV or streaming device. Then after that, open your iPhone and go to the settings and click General. And here, select AirPlay and Hand Off. Make sure that AirPlay is turned on. And if it's still not working, open the settings again and select Wi-Fi and turn it off and on again to refresh your connection. And finally, if you're using an older or smart TV, check for firm updates and try using an Apple TV or compatible adapter. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.